How to make America in Infinite Craft. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this we will have to bring fire on our board. After that add wind to it and we will be able to create smoke this way. Now search for smoke and add it on smoke. Add this smoke over here and we get cloud. Now we need to search for cloud and add it on cloud. We get rain this way. Now we need to add rain. Search for rain and add it on rain. This way we get rainbow. Now we need to add water on board and separate bases, not on rainbow. And after that we need to add water on top of water. We get lake this way. Now we need to add more water to lake and we get ocean. Now on ocean we get earth, on top of it we get island, and after that we need to add earth to our island and we get continent. Now add this continent to rainbow and we get America, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.